Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the DDA algorithm. So DDA stands for Digital Differential Analyzer. It is an incremental scan conversion method of line drawing. So it means that it's a collection of many pixels in the form of on and off format, and it is used for linear interpolation of variable over an interval between start and end point. That means that each points are related to each other. So generally we have given 2 points. So we have to generally find the points and we have to draw a line using the DDA algorithm. So let's see the algorithm. So in the step one, we have two given point, let it be x1, y1 and x2, y2. And then we have to find the approximate length. So for that we have to check the condition. We have the function absolute function. So absolute function generally it converts the negative value to positive value if there exist. So absolute of x2 minus x1 is greater than equal to absolute of y2 minus y1. If this condition is true, then length will be equal to x2 minus x1. I mean the difference of this, or else the length will be the difference of y2 minus y1. So after calculating the approximate length, then we have to calculate del x and del y. Again, we have the formula x2 minus x1 upon length. We will get the del x value. And for del y, we have to calculate del y equal to y2 minus y1 upon length. So these are all formula based algorithm. And then in step 4, we have to uh, find the coordinates xy. So x equal to x1 plus 0.5 into sine of del x, y equal to y1 plus 0.5 into sine of del y. After calculating the coordinates, we have to start a loop. We have to initialize I equal to 0. And then according to the condition that is I is less than equal to length, we have to plot the values. We will get the points x comma y, and then x equal to x plus del x, y equal to del y equal to y plus del y. The value will be incremented by 1. So we'll calculate this all value, and this whole loop will iterate till the condition is true, that is I is less than equal to length. So as soon as the condition becomes false, we'll end with the algorithm. So this is nothing but the DD algorithm. So before moving towards the example, let's see the advantages of DD algorithm. So it is very simple and easy to implement, and it's faster than the direct use of line equation because it does not use any floating point multiplication, and it calculates points on the line. That means in the equation of line y equal to mx plus c, we generally calculate the all slope values and all. Here we no need to do that all things. It's a very simple calculation, and it does not use any multiplication theorem. It's a simple calculation based algorithm, as you have seen. And the disadvantage is that the points generated by this algorithm are not accurate, and it produces floating point results, which increases the overall complexity. And it's a little bit time consuming, as it is all a formula based algorithm. So this was all about the DD algorithm. Now let's understand more with an example, with a simple example. So we have to draw a line using DDA algorithm for 0, 0 to 5.5. These are the given coordinates. So let's follow the procedure and find the coordinates. So in the step 1, we'll read the points. So x1, y1, x2, y2, we have the values as x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, and x2 equal to 5, y2 equal to 5. So we get the coordinates. We get the values of x1, y1, and x2, y2. And in the step 2, we have to find the approximate length. So according to the computation, absolute of 5 minus 0 is greater than equal to absolute of 5 minus 0. That is, the condition is true. So that's hence length is equal to 5. Okay. After that, in step 3, we have to calculate the del x and del y. So, as we have the formula x2 minus x1 upon length of x2 minus x1 is 5, and then the length, approximate length is also 5, so value is 1. Similarly, del y is equal to 1, and then we have to calculate the coordinate. value. So initially the x and y are 0. So x equal to 0 plus 0.5 sine of 1, and then y equal to 0 plus 0.5 into sine of 1. So initially we have calculated this value, and then we have to run a loop initial as I equal to 0. So according to the condition, so here I have calculated the values according to the loop, according to the iteration, according to the condition I is less than equal to length in the tabular form. So this is nothing but the values for I equal to 0. The value is initially 0 comma 0. So according to the formula, in this formula, x equal to x plus del x and y equal to del plus del y, the value is 0.5. Initially 0, so 0 plus 0.5, and then for y 0 plus 0.5. So here I get the coordinate as x 0.5, y 0.5, and then for I 1 equal to 1, the 1 comma 1, and again 1 plus 0.5, again 1 plus 0.5. So this is nothing but the 1.5, as so on till 5 comma 5 coordinate. So these are nothing but the coordinates, the result coordinates, which we have to plot in a graph, and we have to draw the DDA line. So this is nothing but the final result. These are the coordinates, and this is nothing but the line which we want. So this we have calculated using DDA algorithm. So I hope you all have understood. Thanks for watching.